Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Subscribe and like this video, and this cat will hug you.
Aww. You want to share some of the rent money, babies? Oh, no. Can I have... Look, they're gonna evict us. Give us some rent. I just want to... you little shit!
Fine now, Kalakacha.
Hi! There's a third one. Look!
Watch out! His name is John C.
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
What's that little piggy? I'm so sorry. Don't do it. You're gonna fall. You're gonna...
هات دول هات اللحمة هات
Damn, girl. I like your butt, G. Oh, really? Cool. Oh, really? I'm sorry.